happy? How about you? Are you happy?
Yes.
Where are we going? Nandito na kami. Inaantok pa si Briggs. Check out na kami. Pupunta na kami airport. Antok pa si Briggs, oh. Still sleepy? Ate, are you still sleepy? Dito kami nagstay sa Red Planet Hotels Asiana for our morning flight. Gaantay na lang kami ng Grab. Where's na Grab? Wala pa. So, nandito na yung Grab namin. Malapit na tayo sa airport. Ano ba doon? So, ayan na. Ito na tayo.
Why are we even at the airport?
So, pasok na kami. Let's go!
Why are we here?
So, sasakay na kami ng plane. Let's go, guys! Marian, are you excited?
Yeah.
Briggs, are you excited?
Of course. Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Yay!
Before stowing it at the overhead bins. United States, please stay caution in securing your carry-on luggage.
Hi, nandito na kami sa plane. Yung bago nang pumalit sa seat ko. Gusto ko kasi lagi window seat. Pero ayan na si ate. Buti hindi pa sila nag-aaway ni Brooks. So ayan guys, nakipagpalit ako ng seat kay Mario. Nalamig si ate at si Briggs. Sleeping. Nandito na kami. Inaantok pa si Briggs. Waiting na lang. Ayan, excited bumaba.
Ikaw hindi.
Ano po?
Ikaw hindi ba?
Hi! Nandito na kami sa Puerto Princesa Airport. Ben! Nandito na kami sa Puerto Princesa. So, we're here na. To Puerto Princesa. You've been here pre-pandemic, before the pandemic. Let's go. Come on.
Before the pandemic.
Yeah.
So one day
So,
before pandemic.
yeah, like that.
Pandemic.
Like few days.
Huh?
Meron silang money exchange, guys. Dito na kami. Nag-rent kami ng car. Hi! Nandito na kami. Mag-breakfast muna kami.
Okay ba sa inyo? Okay sa inyo? I think we need to buy something for my baby, Big C.
Kain sana kami sa Bonus, kaso sarado pala, oh. Bakit kaya? Mag-breakfast muna kami sa Renes Saigon. Ito na yung order namin.
Bang, here's yours.
Brisket kay Marian.
Ano ba order mo, sir?
Sarap. Eat. Haluin natin. Haluin muna natin ito. Ay.
Meron.
Try natin itong bun.
Try yung maganda.
Ano to?
Pork.
Pork bun. Ay. Gusto kami kumain. Ngayon, pupunta naman kami sa Crocodile Farm. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Crocodile Farm.
Okay. Gano'ng katagal biyahe? Gano'ng katagal biyahe?
Sa oras?
Sa oras? Hi! Punta muna kami yung Robinsons. Bibili muna ng something. Dito na kami sa Crocodile Farm. Bibili muna kami ticket. Let's go! Yung tour schedule. Ay, sorry. Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. Ito yung tour schedule. So, bibili muna kami ng ticket. Tour A, Tour B. Guys, anong gusto nyo? So, may mga do's and don'ts dito. Marian, do's and don'ts. Hey! Go! You wanna ride the real crocodile? Let's go!
Let's ride the real one.
11:15 yung start ng tour namin. So, pupunta na kami doon. Let's go! Ito po yung ticket.
Pwede po kayo pasok.
Thank you!
The tour will start in 5 minutes.
Okay, thanks. Ito yung ano ng crocodile, oh. Eggs ng crocodile. So, ito yung difference ng crocodile sa alligator. Oh, you can see? Okay, I'll carry you. Wait, I'm gonna...
Mami, hawak mo siya. Hindi ba?
Mga birds.
Hornbill and kakato. Marami din yun po.
Yeah, we're going to see the mga giant crocodile.
Siya po ang galing siya sa province of
There's another one!
dito naman.
So, tapos na yung tour sa crocodile. Ano na to? Own face na. Reptile house.
Kasi when it
Snakes.
gets too hot, they can just go there to
Yeah.
cool them down.
Okay? Happy?
Actually, under shade.
Yeah.
Go to the nature park. Punta naman kami sa Palawan Bearcat. Marian, ayun, there, look. Let's
I can sit down there. What's he doing? What's that guy doing? I know.
Hello, Palawan Bearcat.
Hello, cat.
Merong serpent eagle
Sa itma.
sa it. Yun.
There's two.
Meron ding porcupine. Where?
They're hiding on the
Oh, they're hiding. I'm not sure if... There, hindi makita. Nga. Bricks, move! Later ka, later!
Dito ka na.
Hi, punta kami sa Mitras Ranch. Rancho Mitra. Let's go! Hindi na naman ako, pero nakaiba. Ang mundo'y...
Hot in here.
Ito yung Mitra Ranch. Look. Grabe, sobrang init.
Dito ka.
Ito na lang mahangin. Ang sarap. Sarap ng weather. Charot, ang init. Pag! Ito yung giant slide. Giant slide. Let's go! Marian! Bing, doon!
You ride with me, Bang?
Pwede din kayo mag-ride ng horse if you want. Pero ang init kasi, so hindi na namin tinride. Welcome to... Where? Baker's Hill.
Malot Homes. Like the home of Tito JK.
JK. Here, let's go sa bake shop muna. Yeah, so cute! Bili muna kami ng food. Foodie. Kape ang tipas. Let's go! Welcome to Baker's Hill. When in Japan, charot.
Mommy, so I don't get car
Wow, who's this?
from a bad person.
Nagwiwi ka?
Ano? Yeah.
Merong Baker's Kitchen. Baker's here. Wow. Wee! Wow! Where's ate?
Pick up mo si Bebeng! Pick up mo si Bebeng!
Why are we even here though?
Thank you for your sorry. Thank
I don't
you.
drink it.
Cheers.
I put this.
Oh. Excited ang mga kids. Meron silang play club.
Guys, you can see only us.
Going to fourth
Sabi, there's a
floor.
pool.
Why naghanap si Bruce ng pool?
Me too. Someone unbuttoned me before I pee.
Let's go.
Open. 1, 3,
Ha?
4, 5, 6,
Ay, oo nga. Ay, oo nga no. Hi.
12.
Wow.
Wow.
Gusto lang yung card?
Dalawa.
This is the bottom. What is the bottom? This is the bottom.
Here, here.
I think this is the bottom. Oh my god, I need to fix it real quick.
Hey, Biggs!
Okay lang.
Ah!
Here's our bed. Sweet room to eh.
Wow!
And TV.
Wow! I love
Wow, are you
the
happy?
pool.
Really?
Yeah!
And then, yung view is... Wala. Charot. View is this one.
Stay there. Stay there.
Teka, merong bathroom.
It's annoying. I can't take.
Sa CR.
Why do you want to take off? Are you a plane?
No.
And this is, merong bathtub. Hiwala yung toilet
If you
and
want to, ano,
bath nila.
if you want to watch Mommy Bigo,
Say hello.
Hello.
Let's go sa pool. Wow.
wait. There's a
Ah.
pool upstairs.
Good afternoon po.
Hold on. Wait, saan ang shower po? Yo, go have shower.
Shower first, go.
Ay, pwede rin dito si Beboy. Shower muna, shower. Gusto kidis muna kayo.
Ben, don't run ah! Ito yung pool.
Ayoko.
Diba? And yung kiddie pool. Bricks! Say hi! Say hi! Ate!
Come here.
Throw.
No, you come here.
No throw.
Dinner kami ngayon dito sa Ka Joel's Restaurant. Samahan nyo kami! Open na po! So, pagpasok mo, parang meron silang garden dito. Ganda ng ambience. So, let's go! So, pagpasok natin, kailangan tanggalin muna natin yung slippers. Iwan namin dito yung shoes. Here. Iwan muna namin here. gusto nila dyan?
Ayan, crispy pata.
Sige. Yes, darling. Ito yung restroom nila. Hi guys! Picture tayo dyan. Si Erica tumatawag.
Erika? Okay.
Wow!
Gonna be going. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm Barbie.
Hi! Magdi-dinner kami ngayon sa Ka-Joel's. Ka-Joel's. Ka-Joel's.
Yes, and look at this. These are
Let's go!
hardwood. You know what? This one.
So, si Boy kinaantok na, kaya nililibang ni Bray para hindi makatulog.
Super expensive.
Super napagod kasi ang aga ng alis namin kanina. 6 o'clock yung 6 o'clock yung flight. Butik kami dito mga 7:30. Mga 8 na. Then diretso gala na. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang pahinga. Yun na si ate girl drinking mango juice. Sarap. Guys, ang tagal. Naiinip na mga bata.
O papa-approve ko kasi sa mga boss ko yun.
Masok na silang dalawa.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you po.
Oh, okay. So fresh.
Wow!
Okay.
Yay!
Yeah, it's good.
Meron pa tayong kulang.
Wala na.
Yan na yun?
Ito na yata lahat ng order natin.
Thank you.
No? Tama.
Pa-picture na lang tayo. Pwede po magpa-picture.
Thank you.
Let's eat! Eating time. Thank you, Lord.
The Lord.
Eating time. Diyan. Ito yung sasawan mo.
Can you put it here?
You still have na. You always used to have when eating.
What about my hand? Then, so my hand is here. I raise my hand.
Ito lang.
What do you want?
Try natin po. Nice. Tapos na kami kumain, pabalik na kami ng U-Hotel. Okay naman yung food, masarap naman. Morning! 9 o'clock na at mag-breakfast na kami. Are you excited? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go! Come on! What do you want to eat, babe? What do you want to eat? It's that pizza, fish fillet, potato wedges, rice, fried rice. Ganisa, kadillo, breads, cereals, pancake, salad area. What's that, babe? Gulay? Champorado? Congee? Anak, hot. Hot chocolate and tea. Sarap. Oh, good job.
Suka.
Okay.
No more.
Let's go! Let's hit the road! Biyahe namin 45 minutes. Look at the view, guys. You're my best view.
You're my best view.
You're my best view.
You're my best
I was about to sleep with Brick.
What?
I was about to sleep with Brick.
Oh,
you
okay,
hugging
good
each other na?
night.
You're
Good
hugging
night,
each other?
guys. Bati na kayo.
Beng? Beng? Uy. I'm talking to you,
Thanks for coming.
Malapit na kami. Here na. 2.2 kilometer. 4 minutes na naman.
2.2 pa?
2.2 eh. For ano? Turn left. 1.9.
Oh, malapit na.
Malapit na kami.
You want me to talk about? You want me to talk about pattern? Hey, just like
So, nandito na kami. Beach day!
I want you to see the beach warning sign.
Tahan ko lang po kayo for payment po.
Sure. Go guys! Sit down muna kayo.
No, it's okay.
Uy! Your shoes, anak! Bring it first! Bring!
Bring. It's in it.
Let's go! This is our destination. Tala Beach. So guys, ito na yung Tala Beach Resort. Maganda din naman yung beach. Saan? Pwede ding mag-ihaw dito. Luluto si Bri ng pork at saka fish. Fish and
They tried walking.
prawns. So yummy.
Then but it was really hot and they found the tray of shit.
Eat na kami. Go na. We're done! Uuwi na kami. So, bibili muna kami ng merienda dito sa Vietville Restaurant. Isa daw to sa mga pinupuntahan. This is side trip galing sa Puerto Princesa Underground. So, nag-take out na lang kami ng banh-mi. Spring roll. Try natin. seafront. Masarap dito, guys. Sana masarap pa rin. Mangroves.
Mangrove?
Yeah.
What's mangrove? I'm scared.
Mangrove tea.
Mangrove.
Fun fact.
Yan, tinan mo. Oh.
Take my leg.
Walk in. 4 lang. Wow.
Yan pala.
So yummy lobster. Sarap naman.
Bitin by
Ito na yung food namin. Oh.
That is spin.
That is who?
Spin. Spin.
Spin.
Spin. I think Lucy should answer first. Don't add the timer.
Meron bang kulang? Thank you.
What do you say?
That's
Oh, ang dami
right.
pala.
Oo nga eh.
Kaso walang kamatis ha?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so yummy. Let's try this.
Let's try the pin.
Ang dami.
One side, the pin on this side, and the other on the other side.
Kaya mas sulit dito kasi marami.
Oo nga eh.
Mas muro pa.
Yes. Mas mura na. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you. Sarap. Sarap. Hi, good morning. Last day na namin ngayon dito at 8:40 yung flight namin. So, nagpe-prepare na kami. Himbing pa ng tulog ng mga bata. Kaso wala kaming choice. Kailangan nang umalis. Maaga yung nabook namin na flight.
Thank you.
So, we're here na sa departure. Paalis na kami. Bye-bye. Marian, say bye-bye.